Hey everyone, if you've just created a Mega account, the next step is verifying your email so you can fully activate your account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your Mega account step by step. First, open the email inbox you used when creating your Mega account. Look for the verification email sent by Mega. Next, if you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. It may have been filtered there by mistake. Now open the verification email and click the Verify Email or Confirm Account button. This will open a new browser tab and activate your account. If the verification link has expired, go back to the Mega sign-in page and request a new verification email if the option is available. After that, sign in to your Mega account using your email address and password to confirm that your account has been activated successfully. So once you're logged in, you can complete optional security settings like adding a recovery key or enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. Finally, you're ready to start uploading files, creating folders, and securely sharing your data using your verified Mega account. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully verified your Mega account. Now you have full access to Mega's cloud storage features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.